hungry turkeys. Friends, turkeys. Hello.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind?
I'm getting some cold. Nose starting to be runny. I don't know. Maybe in that hospital I got some bacteria and I start to have headache. Yeah, so I don't know. So now we're eggs. Already sleepy. Yeah.
Oh yes, those things too.
I will look at the computer.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of...
So here is my scrambled eggs from 3 eggs with onion. I put some honey to my tea because maybe I need some to gather better. Okay, and let's close it and let's put it back here. Tea with honey. Lifetime Christmas movie, by the way. Cute boots. Look. Leggings and cute boots. I don't think I got much footage for today, which is Vlogmas day 9. If so, then I will maybe connect it with next. Potatoes and veggies. Let's see. Potatoes. Then I eat the veggies. Now I have to heat it up. Just one. Potatoes, veggies, coleslaw, salad from cucumber salad. I mean lettuce. When I add this fast-food dressing and all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. Salad is done. It is. Time to eat. You. Helper.
You had diarrhea?
No. You will.
What happened to all the salad that was in there?
I put back to
Why?
pineapple. Hello friends, today I will unbox one package from Victoria's Secret, so let's get started. I've got it in mail today and it's just one thing that I've got. It came like this in this thing, and let's open it. And here I've got $20 holiday reward, and then okay, never mind. So I've got this thing, which is reversible jacket, Sherpa jacket, pink, Victoria's Secret, reversible. So let's see how it looks like. I've got it in size large, and one side is black like this. Wow, it's so big. No, actually it's not. So one side of it is black like this. It has a pink logo here. Stand. It has pink logo and nice zipper, and it has pink here emblemat, or how it's called, and it has hood, nice hood, and let's see how it looks on other side. Zippers like this, so you can put it both ways. That's cool. And the other side, and on this side it has pockets, and on this side it doesn't have pockets. But this side is really cute when we reverse it. It's really nice, fluffy, and I like this print, cheetah print or something like that. It looks like so. Looks like so. Really nice. Like so. Actually no, it's fine. Not so. It's run little. These sleeves are little wide, and here let's zip it up. Yeah, it's very cute, but too bad that this here doesn't have pockets in this side, because I might like this side to wear it. And it looks like this. And hood looks like this. Really, I would like, but this side is, when it's reversed and it's inside, it's really nice and fluffy. So it would be great also to wear it as a black one. And this is more like outside jacket because it's so heavy. I mean, it's more like for outside because it's kind of bulky. That's what I meant. And now it's cuter inside. I mean, you feel that Sherpa on your body, which is nice. And you can have still that cheetah print here if you wear it like so. Good. And the thing is that I didn't pay much for it. It was $90, but then it was 40% off. So for pink product, and then I had $30 rewards, so I have paid only $10 plus $7 shipping, because I didn't have any coupon for shipping. So yeah.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
And so it's late. I just watched some YouTube videos and then I go to sleep, so ending this vlog. See you in the next one. Bye. Thumbs up and subscribe.
For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup